Today we're doing a little taste testing. There has been a very viral and limited rare pie from Taco Bell. And that pie is the Baja Blast Pie. Now, when I was looking on social media, I kept seeing this thing pop up that Taco Bell is releasing a Baja Blast Pie. And I thought, I'd like to get my hands on one of those and give it a try. The crazy thing is, and what I've read online, most Taco Bells, not all of them, are getting a few. 12. That's it. 12 pies per whichever Taco Bell got them. And so, if you hear cats in the background, apologize. But you had to get out to a Taco Bell, get it before they sold out. So online, a lot of people were going and waiting at Taco Bell before they opened. I got lucky. I called, and there was a Taco Bell with 2 of them left. So I headed over there and bought it, and then texted Timber that we're going to try a Taco Bell Baja Blast Pie. Now, this was last week when I got it. So we've had it in the freezer. They keep it frozen. Technically, you're supposed to thaw it.
Oh, yeah. We should have been thawing
Yeah, I thought about it, but I've seen people just like eat it right away in the car. So we're gonna try that. This isn't a cooking show where I can just pull out and say, here you go, it's already thawed. We just didn't thaw it out.
Put it in the fridge this morning.
Yeah, but I feel like we're probably not going to eat all of it, and we may want other family to try it. So just, instead of thawing it, keep it frozen, try a couple bites, do the review, and then put it back in the freezer. But either way, the price was $19.99 plus tax, so $21 for a whole pie. Also, I think on the back it says there's up to like 8 slices. Taco Bell did not sell this by slice. They only sold per pie. So like I said, 12 per Taco Bell restaurant, whichever ones were serving it. Also, there is 0 nutritional value in this video. We do get a Baja Blast when we go to Taco Bell. Again, 0 nutritional value in that whole sequence. But I feel like we should rate this on a scale of 1 to 10. 10, we would spend the $20 to buy it again. And if Taco Bell released single slices, we would get it. A 1 being it was a complete waste of money and time, and we would never get it again. Anywhere in between.
Prediction made.
What are you predicting?
1.
Oh, I'm going to give it a 5.
Not a big novelty person.
Yeah, but you love Baja Blast is one of your favorite drinks.
Drinks.
Just now
I've never thought,
a frozen pie.
It needs to be made into something else. No.
Well, you haven't even technically seen it. I bought it.
I've seen clips of it, and it looks radioactive.
I bought it, put it in the freezer, and did not show you. So what we'll do is we'll film bringing it out, and you'll get first look. So excited to give this a try. We do like documenting when there's like specialty things out. We did the whole
yes, this is not something, I'm sure people will comment, that's so terrible for you. Yes, we recognize we're not eating the whole pie. We don't we will likely never eat this again. So it's okay. It's
like trying the Krabby Patty, a lot of McDonald's items that they came out with. We have yet to try the Arby's steak nuggets. Even saying that, I just don't think I can do that. But we are going to try the, should I say infamous, or, oh, hi, cat, or famous or rare Taco Bell Baja Blast pie. You ready?
I guess.
Let's go check it out. Here you have it. Mountain Dew Baja Blast Pie.
The box is pretty.
Box is pretty. Yours by a slice of luck because there's not many of them out there. There's probably, if I'm being honest, no more of them out there. Like I said, when I got it, it was only 2 left. And that was the Umatilla Taco Bell, which doesn't seem like it should be that busy, but that's what it looks like.
The directions definitely say to thaw it.
It says best by June 27, 2026. So there's that. And nutritional value, it's per slice.
Nutrition facts. There's no value. It's facts.
And it says 8 servings per container, so essentially 8 slices. Now, I thought Taco Bell should have sold them for like $5 a slice. You'd make more money. And if somebody doesn't want a whole pie, there you have it. You can just buy a slice. But regardless, we weren't given that option. We're just lucky to actually physically have one of these right now. I don't know if I'd call it luck, We haven't tried it yet, but
5 grams of protein.
There you go. It's protein packed.
26 grams of added sugars.
Well, you know. Again, no nutritional value. This is not a...
4% of your daily potassium. 10% of your daily calcium. Wow.
This is not a treat that we just... I've never tried it. So...
200 milligrams of sodium.
Total fat, 13 grams. Saturated fat, 8 grams.
320 calories per slice, in case anyone was
So
wondering.
times that by 8, and that is what it would be to eat the whole pie. Which, again, we are not doing.
2,560?
Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot. So, hold on real quick. Let's do this. Just for those out there. I don't know what all you can see. Here you have it. Tropical lime, naturally and artificially flavored filling in a graham crumb crust with a whipped topping. Keep frozen. See back for thaw instructions. So I guess we probably could have cut some of it if we wanted it, but kept it frozen. So
it says use a warm knife to cut and then let it thaw for 30 minutes.
Yep, it does say that.
If you just want a slice.
For the ultimate frozen pie experience, enjoy within 4 hours of thawing. I knew we wouldn't eat the whole thing, so we're going to enjoy 0 hours of thawing.
One bite, likely.
But you never know. Maybe Thanksgiving time, some more family members will get to be lucky members of the pie club. Box opens good, so both sides open here. Maybe. Yep, right there. Oh, wow. All right. I'm not going to attempt to tip it over, but it is frozen, so look at this. Yeah, it looks pretty neon-y. Nice presentation, though. And that's the box. Comes wrapped up for freshness, to keep it super fresh. I don't know if I can get this open.
So when I say, like, we've had this conversation before, what's my favorite food? What do I always say?
Favorite food? Like veggies?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is far from. So if my face looks not appetized, that's...
Yeah, you do say veggies. All right, we got the wrapping off. Interesting color.
I mean, it's on brand. It's on theme. You know.
I have heard since if you look at the back, it says ingredients: milk, water, sugar, Key West lime juice. So I have heard some people say, there's also a lot of random stuff in here. I've heard people say that it does taste like a key lime pie. It says contains milk, soy, wheat. This product is manufactured on shared equipment with peanut and tree nut containing products.
Yeah, that's a fair point to make.
Contains a bioengineered food ingredient.
Yeah, that's terrible.
Again, no nutritional value. One bite is all we are taking. So this should be interesting. Nonetheless, we like documenting these things. What do you got for me?
Phooey.
Oh, it says for food safety and quality, do not microwave, keep frozen until ready to eat, do not refreeze if completely thawed. See, I was thinking about that. And cover and refrigerate unused portion for up to 2 days if thawed. Not thawed, probably one bite per person. Gonna let you know what we think.
You're just going in the middle? What are you doing here?
Yeah, but you gotta get some crust too, so it just really depends on what we can get. But family, if you're watching this, certain family members, you might be trying this sometime. We'll see.
Maybe not.
People were just like eating it in the car. I don't know what kind of utensil they had.
I think I'm just going to be able to get filling at the moment. I'll just try that and just, oh my. It's like Play-Doh.
Play-Doh / Jello-ish.
It smells like
Does it smell like it? I'm going to dip in here and get some crust and get an all-in-one. It does. Is it even?
Just do this.
Okay, maybe I got too much of the other. I will say, I'm a fan of the texture. It has...
Yeah, I mean...
It has a hint of Mountain Dew Baja Blast.
Like,
but yeah, it's mostly key lime, but it does have a hint of Baja Blast.
But not like a great key lime.
Yeah, I would say it's not a great key lime, but it's a decent Baja Blast. Yeah, I get the little aftertaste of it. So I'll do one more, try to get the crust again. It's kind of hard to get. We'll have to thaw it later on. And Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving.
No. I'll just make a pie.
0% nutritional value, so we are taking that out of the equation. So don't even add that in the equation. As far as just taste goes, 1 being never again, 10 being, all right, yeah, I would get it again if they sold it. 5 maybe being, I could go either way. I would take a bite of it again. Maybe 8 being, if they sold it by a slice, I would buy a slice sometime. What do you think?
2.
So it went up in your book.
I mean, it wasn't just disgusting.
Yeah.
I wouldn't buy it again, though.
That's fair.
I don't think, personally, even even value-wise, I'm not eating this whole thing.
True.
So it's a waste.
Yeah, I honestly, I'm trying to think, I would not buy it again. I think for a pie, and it's just $21 for a pie is kind of crazy. Go down to Perkins and get you
for this pie.
Yeah.
I mean,
it's a novelty for this.
Yeah. No,
you go to Publix, and even Publix, who is expensive, you can get a better pie. Mm-hmm. But no, I would not buy it again. Taste-wise, I would say it was a 5. I mean, it's not the worst thing I've ever had, not the best. It's not really like a key lime pie. It does have a Baja Blast taste. I'm a 5, and in between.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of what you would expect of a fast food pie.
Yeah.
From Taco Bell.
I will say I'm...
Never in my life, when I was a kid eating Taco Bell, did I ever think that I'd be eating a pie from Taco Bell.
That's fair. I am impressed with their box. I think their box is nice. Mm-hmm. I am impressed with them having a pie option. And honestly, I do think it beats out McDonald's novelties and the Krabby Patty.
Oh, I thought you were going to say like the holiday pie.
Oh, no. Holiday pie is top notch.
Yeah.
But in the game of trying unique limited items, a very limited item here,
yeah, it's just
they didn't do that bad.
I mean, I feel like it was definitely just a marketing thing.
They did a good job with it.
Because what other reason would you?
I mean, you're talking about completely sold out everywhere. Umatilla, small Lake County town, their Taco Bell only had 2 left. So, and I got one of the 2, so they only had 1 left. So, kind of a crazy thing, but I am glad to document it. I'm glad to try it. 10 years from now.
What? It's like its mouth.
Oh, yeah.
Eyes.
I'm not going to tip it because I feel like it'll end up on the ground. But 10 years from now, when we watch these again, we can say, oh, remember when that Taco Bell Baja Blast Pie came out? We got to try it.
There you go. That's what life's all about.
We need segments. Comment below on what we should name some of these segments of, like, just trying some unique stuff at home. Like a limited taste test from fast food chains. It doesn't have to be fast food, though. It could be anything that's limited. But either way, there you have it. The Mountain Dew Baja Blast Pie from Taco Bell. I would say go get yours, but I'm pretty sure they're all finished and done, and you won't be getting any. If you tried it, you liked it, let us know what you gave it as a rating. If you tried it, didn't like it, let us know what you gave as a rating. Regardless, we'd like to hear what anybody got. If you weren't able to get one or able to try it, comment below on what you would if you think you would like it or what your rating would be. That should be fun to read. So either way, there you have it. It's coming to family Thanksgiving. I think we're going to call it, though.
We're going to run out of room for family Thanksgiving. So
it's going to be accidentally left in the trash.
Yeah, exactly.
I think I'm good. What about you?
Yeah.
I'm impressed that you gave it higher than you thought. So
I mean, the taste, like I said, it's obviously very sugary, very, like, artificial.
Yeah, very artificial.
But it wasn't gross. If it was disgusting, I would have given it a 1.
Yeah, there you have it. Okay, well, that's a win in my book. So I'm glad I got it. Either way, we tried it, documented it. Feeling lucky. That being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.